How to buy Tone on Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Over here on the home page, you need to tap on the buy and sell option so that you could purchase your Tone on the Tonkeeper wallet. Here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply select your country if it is not already selected correctly. In order to change it or in order to select it, you need to tap on the top left hand corner of the screen, and from this list you can choose your respective country. So after selecting your country, it will show you the options of buy Tone, and the merchant might be different based on your country. So you just have to select any of the merchants of your choice, and after selecting it, you need to tap on the open button. Once done, you will be redirected on the official website of that merchant that you have selected. Here you need to enter the amount in your own currency, and it will show you the equivalent amount of Tone that you are going to get. Now tap on the proceed option, and now it will ask you to provide the phone number and the email address and create your account on it. So you just have to follow further instructions, and you need to first create your account on the provider's website, then use the credit card, debit card, or any of the respective payment methods of your choice to make the payment. Once you have successfully made the payment, you just have to wait for some time until you get your Tone in your Tonkeeper wallet. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.